Hello, Sarah from the Bureau with your latest update on that deepening low pressure system over southeastern Australia that's bringing heavy rain, flooding, damaging wind gusts and severe thunderstorms. Now this is following on from the driest September on record, and we've had some really significant rainfall totals since this event began. A staggering 227 millimetres recorded so far for Mount Hotham, for Sale 113 millimetres, Benalla 91 and across the border 50 millimetres for Hay. Now this would be really welcomed rainfall for many farmers and also for residents across fire affected parts of East Gippsland, where all fires are now either under control or have been extinguished. And so with this heavy rainfall, there has been some major flooding about the McAllister catchment in Gippsland, shown in this red area here. Moderate flooding for the orange area there, including the Upper Yarra River catchment and the green areas where we have minor flood warnings at the moment. A much broader flood watch has been issued for eastern Victoria into the New South Wales area, and that's because we are expecting a further rainfall to fall. Severe weather warnings are current for damaging wind gusts and also heavy rainfall that may lead to flooding. And now that's for south of Goulburn. North of Goulburn, it's more just the damaging wind gusts that we're currently concerned about. So let's see how things are going to play out over the next 24 hours. So here's that low pressure system that's responsible for bringing all of this severe weather, with the rain band starting to push into eastern parts of New South Wales, where severe thunderstorms are really possible anywhere along that trough line there, with damaging wind gusts, large hail and heavy rainfall all possible, apart from in the sort of near Queensland section, where it's more likely just the damaging wind gusts will be a concern. There'll be much drier storms up there. Now that low pressure system tonight will move into the Tasman Sea and rapidly deepen further, with the heavy rainfall and damaging winds contracting to East Gippsland before clearing during Thursday morning. However, in its wake, showery and cold conditions continuing on and south of the ranges, and also the potential for some severe thunderstorms about southeast Queensland and the Capricornia Thursday afternoon on that trough line as well. So if you live within southeastern parts of the country, it's important that you stay up to date with our latest forecasts and warnings via our app and our website. Also keep an eye on the radar and listen to all of the advice from your local emergency services. Bye for now.